guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I was very skeptical about it and I'm still skeptical about it. So we're gonna see how good this Vanity Planet brush is. And I'm doing like an unboxing, a review, and like a demo to show you guys how it really works, because I want to know how it really works. And my hair looks really crazy, but it's for a reason. It's for the purpose of this video. So if you guys want to see how this Vanity Planet straightening brush works, just go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so I haven't even opened it yet. I purposely washed my hair before this video and I let it air dry. You guys can see like I get a lot of like curls right here and then like right here as well. It's not really that crazy today, but what I usually do is I take a shower at night and I wash my hair at night. In the morning it'll be like a big puff ball, like way bigger than this. So I really need to try it out when I do that, because then I will really know if it works or not. Because I'm not the type of person who likes to blow dry my hair. This is a brush and a straightening thing in one, so we'll see how this goes. So I haven't opened it yet. I purposely didn't open it because I wanted to open it on camera. It comes in this little box. It shipped honestly really fast. I purchased it Monday, like during the day, and then I actually purchased it Tuesday. Today's Thursday, so it shipped in literally a day, like 2 days. This is what it looks like when you open the box. It's the VP Flow ceramic straightening brush. I don't know how it's gonna work on my hair. I'm really hoping that it does work, because I really like the idea of it, like brushing and straightening my hair at once. So on the box it says, whether your hair is fine, coarse, straight, or curly, and even if you struggle with frizz or flyaways, this brush has got you covered. Here she is. So here's the cord. Plug in your Flow ceramic straightening brush and turn it on. Use a standard brush to run through your hair while your flow heats up. See, I don't know if you needed a brush with this. Brush through your hair slowly with Flow, moving either over, under, or both. Style your hair as you wish, straighten or even add waves by flipping the brush at your ends. You just like hold the button to turn it on. Okay, so I'm gonna put it to 300 because I mean my hair is thick and I have a lot of hair, so it's gonna hopefully work at 300. I usually heat up my irons like 350, I think, so it's perfect. I won't even do it as much, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let that heat up. So it says in the instructions that you're supposed to brush your hair out first before you do it. I'm not gonna do that because it's a brush straightener. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some Biosilk in my hair. It's just to protect my hair from the heat, so I don't get a lot of damage, a lot of heat damage. My hair is still kind of damp, but I didn't want to blow dry it because then it's just like a big puff ball and I don't want that. But it's only damp like in the back. Like if you have thick hair, you know what I'm talking about, like it takes forever for it to dry. So that's what's going on right now. But it's pretty much for the most part dry. I'm just brushing my hands through my hair just so I give it, you know, some justice to like that it says to do on the box. Is that 300 already? It's already hot. See, I don't know if I should like, I don't know if I need a rubber band. It doesn't say to part your hair though, that's a thing. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I can't really tell how it's looking. I mean, I knew this was going to be the problem area because I do get really curly hairs right here. Dude, my freaking camera is just overheating today. I don't know why. I don't know if I need to put this higher. Let's do 350. And it's weird because, you know, like with the straightener, like by now, if I were to be this close to my face with the straightener, I would be burned. Oh, excuse my nose if you can see like the little bump I have on it. It's because I burned myself with tea tree oil because my skin is super sensitive right now. It is working, it's crazy. And my hair is damp right now, so it is doing some damage. Okay, so my camera overheated again. So if you're looking for a camera, again, PSA, don't get the Sony a5100 because it overheats literally like probably every 15 minutes. It's really bad. I don't know why. But I found a rubber band, so I'm going to do it that way just because I have so much hair and I want to give this a fair chance, because I feel like it's not fair to just throw it in with all that hair, you get me? Like I feel like it's just not going to straighten it right. Honestly, this would be a lot easier if I had longer hair. I don't have like a set place that I film at, which is kind of annoying, but I mean, I try to work with what I can. That's why I don't really post a lot anymore. Ow, I hurt myself. That's why I don't really post a lot as much as I'd like. I hope that, you know, one day I can have my own filming space so I can just like literally have an idea and just go and film it like whenever I want to. Like now I have to plan it out just because I don't use my own space to film. Shout out to my sister for always letting me. Yeah, I got a new order from my merch. Shout out to my sister for always letting me use her room. I'm kind of pushing it against the brush so that my hair gets like in the brush. so it really straightens it, and I think that actually works better. If my eyes are red, it's because I'm tired. I was looking at them earlier and they look really red. Like, I've been having to wake up super early, and I'm not a morning person at all, but I had to do early classes this semester just to get them out of the way. So I don't know which video is going to go up first, this or my thrift haul, but if you guys haven't seen it, I also did a thrift haul, another thrift haul. It's like a winter spring one, because I mean right now in California it's not even cold in California right now. Like, it's hot. Like, I just want some rain. That's all I ask for. My hair grew a lot. It's crazy. My hair did grow. I'm so happy right now. And I'm super surprised that it took out the curls right here. It turned off. Why did it turn off? It was probably on for too long. I'm gonna do this just so that everything goes down and it's not like flipping out. Honestly, I'm really bad at making middle parts. So if it's really bad and it bugs you, I'm sorry, but I'm just not the best person at making my middle part. So I'm just gonna actually should go from under. So now that I know how this works, I'm pretty sure the next time I use it, it's gonna be a lot faster. I was trying to figure out how to do it at first, but it's not hard to use at all. Alright guys, so my camera overheated again, so that's why I finished my hair, but I have like pointers for you guys. So if you guys do get this brush, I say that you guys do it from the bottom and kind of like put force on this on your right hand or whatever hand you're holding the brush with, and then just go ahead and go down on the hair, and honestly it like does it right away. This is the outcome of it. I actually really like it. I'm really surprised with the results. I didn't think it was going to work at all. It's definitely good for every day or for travel. If like you're going somewhere, you have a brush and a straightener in one. Like, I think that's super good. So I definitely recommend it. Like, if you're on vacation, I think this would be perfect, because your hair still has like a natural like little oomph to it, but it's not completely flat. Vanity Planet, big thumbs up to you, because I was a little skeptical about it, but you know what, you guys shut me up and it works. If you guys are a mom and have like little girls, I definitely think you should get this, because it's a lot safer than using a flat iron around their face. Like, you can go right here, you feel the heat, but it's not burning you at all. My hair still feels like it has volume to it, like it's not super like flat and stuck to my head. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna wrap it up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I definitely give it a thumbs up, like a 10 out of 10 for what it claims to do. I definitely recommend it if you guys do want to try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
Mamacita, cita, cita. Yeah.